Hey guys, it's Josh from Galactican BMX, and I'm going to do a bike check. Okay, start off with my bars. The 8.5 rise with a 29 width, S&M Grand Slam XLTs. Grips are united. The stem is a Shadow Attack. Headset is a FSA-PC with Eastern cap integrated. Forks are Eastern Gravediggers. Front tire, Stolen Tioga. Front rim, Alienation plain black. Cranks are DK stock with a golden fit download regular sprocket. Odyssey PC pedals twisted. Back rim Alienation stock. Animal GLH back tire. Chain is a Colt chain. And my pivotal seat post is a United seat. And a Shadow seat post. And my frame is a Giant Method 00. Okay, that's all I got for you guys today. Stay tuned. Okay, later.